Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's grade 11 lesson is on ogive, where the drawing is given and we must draw a histogram. The length of time in minutes a certain number of telephone calls was recorded. No call lasted 25 minutes or longer. A cumulative frequency diagram of this data is shown below. So there they've given us a diagram. Time in minutes went till 25 and the maximum cumulative frequency went to 40 people. So determine the total number of calls recorded, complete the frequency table for the data, hence draw a histogram of the data, use the ogive to estimate the lower and upper quartile time customers spent on the telephone. 7.5, how many customers call duration is between 5 to 15 minutes. Right? Determine the total number of calls recorded. So according to cumulative frequency, there the highest value it goes to is 40. So therefore we recorded 40 calls. So 40 calls recorded. Right, 7.2, complete the frequency table for the data. Now this one it caught learners out years ago, but by now I assume you've clued up and you've practiced. So we're just testing there. You see my time is 10 minutes and 5 minutes. What's the difference between 10 minus 5? And there between that 15, the value I have there and the value I have at 10. So if we look at the table, 0 to 5, that goes 1, 2, 3, right? 3 minus the 0, so 3 minus 0 there gives me 3. Look at 5 to 10, 10 stops there at 6, 7, 8. So that's 8, and this one is by 3, so 8 minus that 3 would give me 5. Right, if we look at 10 to 15, so 10 we know is stopping at 8. 15, if we go up, so let's see, that's 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18, right, minus the 8 there would then give me 10. Right, if I go to the next one, 20, 20 stops there at, let's see, that's 30, 31, 32, 33. And the previous one stops at 16, 17, 18. Right? So 33 minus 18 would then give me 15. And the last one stops at 40 there, while this one is at 33. So 40 minus the 33 then gives me 7. So that is how I get my frequency from a ogive. Right? Very important that you know this. 7.3, and draw a histogram of the data. So the data we got was 3, 5, 10, 15, 70 for frequency. And those are my intervals. 0 till before 5, 5 till before 10, 10 till before 15, etc. Right? So we draw the histogram. I have frequency on my y-axis. And I have time interval on my x-axis. Right? The time interval 0 to 5. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, etc. So for the first one, my column must be 3. Second one, column must be 5 units high. Third column must be 10. Fourth column, 15. And last column, 7 units, right? And that's what the histogram, take note, we join them all up, né? Right, so that's what my histogram looks like. Right, I hope you understand. Next question. Right, use the ogive to estimate the lower and upper quartile time customers spent on the telephone. Alright, so from the first question, we know we have 40 customers in total. So to divide them in quarters, I'm going to say 40 divided by 4. So every 10 customers is where I'll find a quarter. So 10 would be quarter 1, 20, quarter 2, 30, quartile 3, etc. Right, so use the ogive to estimate. So there if I go to 10, if I come across and I come down, I have roughly about 11. Say 11, say about 11. Customers, if I go there to 30, so 10, 20 would have been where the median is. 30 is where quartile 3 is. If I go across, that's about 18, 19. Right, so quartile 1, 13, estimate, as I said, some would have 11, some 12, some 13. quartile 3 there, as you can see, 17, 18, 19. Alright, but there's my quartiles, and that's why they say estimate. So it's based on how accurate your drawing is and how accurately you can draw the lines across. Right, but I hope you understand there. 10 for the first quarter, plus 10 is the second quarter, plus 10 is the third quarter. But a quartile, we must read off the x-axis, so therefore we go across and down till we make contact with the straight line or the graph, then we go down. Right, how many customers? Call duration is between 5 to 15 minutes. So by 15 minutes, I have 18 customers, and here by 5, I have 3 customers. So in short, between 5 to 15 should be 18 minus 3. Right, and 18 minus 3 is approximately 15 customers. So therefore, we have 15 customers in total. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Wish you nothing but the best. God bless. Bye.